Have you ever met someone or felt an instant connection with no logical reason? What if I tell you that your relationships today might be the echoes of your past life connection? The patterns, struggles, deep emotions you experience in your life, friendships, family dynamics could be influenced by karmic ties that transcend time. In this video, we are going to dive into how past lives shape your present relationships, how to identify karmic bonds, and most importantly, how to heal so that you can build healthier connections in this lifetime. Now let's understand the soul journey through time. Your soul is on a continuous journey, traveling across timelines, dimensions, memories, lessons, unfinished business. Each lifetime brings opportunity to evolve spiritually, but it also carry forward unresolved emotions, karmic debts, and soul contracts that show up in your present day relationship. Some of the people in your life today may have shared multiple lifetimes with you, whether it's a lover, friend, or a family member. Your past life experiences with them can shape the way your relationship unfolds now. Now let's understand the signs of a past life connection in a relationship. Number one, instant recognition. You meet someone immediately and feel that you've known them forever. Number two, the intense emotion from the start. Whether it's love, resentment, fear, your emotions towards this person feel stronger than the usual. Number three, the reoccurring relationship pattern. You keep attracting similar relationship dynamics even with different people. Number four, unexplained fears and attraction. You feel an intense pull or resistance towards someone without any logical reason. Last but not the least, the dreams or the visions of another life together. You see yourself with them in another life, place, era, and you feel the past life is surfacing. Understand with me the karmic relationship, which is the unfinished business. The karmic relationships are intense, often challenging, deeply transformative. They show up in your life to teach lessons, balance, unresolved karmas, and push you towards growth. These relationships may feel exhausting at first, but they often come with struggles, such as power struggles, control issues, ongoing, off-going cycles of relationship, feeling stuck or unable to move on, repetitive conflicts over the same issues again and again. Not all karmic relationships are meant to last. Some serve as catalysts for personal growth, while others evolve into long-term soul connections. Understand how healing past life karma in your relationship work. If you recognize past life patterns in the current relationships, it's crucial to break the cycle and heal. Here is how you can do that in 5 steps. Number one, identify the lesson. What pattern keep repeating? What emotions or wounds surface in this relationship? Number two, use meditation with Akashic records. Access Akashic records to explore the past life connections and gain clarity on why certain people are there in your life. Number three is the forgiveness work. Karmic cycles break when you release resentment and heal from past betrayals. Number four, cut energetic cords. If a relationship feels toxic, stagnant, practice cord cutting rituals to free yourself from the past life bond. Last but not the least, choose a different path. Instead of repeating the same behavior, consciously create healthier relationship dynamics. Now let's understand the soulmate and a twin soul connection. Not all past life connections are about karma and struggle. Some relationships like soulmates, twin flames come into our life to bring profound love, healing, spiritual awakening at times. The twin flame relationships mirror your deepest wounds and force you to evolve. Recognizing these connections can help you navigate them with greater awareness and purpose in life. So understand that how past life influences your relationships, give you power to break free from the painful cycles and create healthier, more fulfilling connections. By becoming conscious of karmic patterns, healing past life wounds, and making new choices, you can rewrite your love story in this lifetime. If you're ready to explore your soul history and uncover how it can shape your relationship today, I highly recommend you to book an Akashic record reading that can help you get clarity which is personalized to you and help you towards healing. If you found this helpful, like, share, subscribe, comment below. Have you ever felt a past life connection with someone? Let's talk about it.